I'm going to show you a little trick for contouring your nose. If you get the lines too far apart, your nose is going to look even bigger. The key is to bring the sides of contour in thin, and we're going to highlight the very top. So one of the ways you can do this is get a small brush like this multitasker brush and go right into your contour color. Take a second brush and lay it right on the bridge of your nose, and then all you want to do is trace that line on either side. Now, all you have to do is make those lines nice and straight and bring them into your brows. And then it's all about blending. And finally, take your lightest highlight color with a small brush and draw that line right down the middle to highlight the top of your nose. And there you go.